Guys, tignan nyo naman guys, puno guys, puno.
Good morning, Philippines!
Okay, nandito tayo guys. Ang sobrang hangin. Nakalimutan ko yung ano guys. Nakalimutan ko yung lights. Let's see kung meron silang tapon. Oh, yay. Oops. Sobrang ginaw, grabe. Hindi nyo masyadong makikita guys. Kasi nga okay. Wow, the wind. Oh, somebody picked up the garbage already. Look, it's all junk, cellophane. Wait. Nuts. My nuts, oh. My nuts. Hi guys. Hello guys. Underrun kami ni Tammy. I-try lang namin tignan yung basura after sa vlog natin. I-try lang namin tignan yung basura guys. Sobrang hangin pero gusto ko lang talagang makita yung basurahan. So yun, nag-drive kami dito para tignan lang. And yun, andito siya kasama ko. Madilim guys, pasensya na. And galing kami Burlington, wala nang laman. So ngayon, punta tayong isang tindahan. Hopefully meron, no, para hindi kalas yung pagda-drive natin dito. So yun. So anyway, see you sa ano. Sana wala din, nakalimutan ko yung suga guys, yung light sa ano, GoPro ko, nakalimutan ko. So hopefully makapag-vlog tayo. Or hindi na ako makapag-vlog, ano lang, cellphone na lang. Yan, cellphone na lang. Okay guys, dito tayo guys. Uy, ang dami. Oh my god, ang dami guys. Guys, kunin ko to guys, and then ipakita ko sa inyo guys kung ano yung nakuha ko, okay?
One pair of pants later.
Oh my god, my breathing. Guys, guys, tignan nyo naman guys, puno guys, puno. Tignan nyo guys, puno. Hindi ako nakapag-film because I forgot the light, and also there's no time for filming guys. They're still open.
You didn't film?
I filmed in my phone and I said I will show you what I got. There's a lot of them, and then I have to breathe guys. Because look, tignan nyo guys, puno, there's marami pa guys, as in ang dami. And the good thing today, they don't spray nothing. Ang dami, grabe, ang dami. Look, tignan mo, ang trangko sa buong sasakyan ng likuran puno, as in puno. So, hala, there's cops here. No, that's not ambulance. No, it's firefighter over there. So yan, and Tammy is helping because there's so much stuff. I just give, there's marami pa doon guys, marami pa talaga. And tomorrow morning I'm coming back here alone. I'm coming back here, no people, nothing. I'm coming back here. It's okay honey, you stay home. It's morning, it doesn't matter. 5 o'clock I'm coming here in the morning, and that's still a little bit dark. Yeah, so kasi ang dami pa guys. Sana hopefully no dumpster diver is out for tonight, another, you know, different dumpster diver. But guys, ang dami guys, ang saya. Okay guys, ito yung car guys, puno.
Just film this before we throw our garbage with it.
Okay, it's right there. We put it here side. Oh, so that was taking space.
I told you.
Wow, that was taking space. Look at
Oh look.
two of them. Two of that, and then what is broken?
I hear a lot of broken pieces though. Looks like they threw all kinds of mixed shit in here. These are drink coasters.
That's nice though.
Yeah.
So this is not broken really. This is a
Candle holder.
candle holder. They just dump it, right?
Yeah, they threw everything in this box.
Oh guys, look at, tignan nyo to guys. Punong-puno yung sasakyan ko kanina, yung box dito. Babalik kami doon. Anyway, kakarating lang namin. Sobra yung hangin guys, grabe. Grabe yung hangin. Ito, tignan nyo dito oh. Punong-puno. Walang malagay guys kasi puno. Look, doon, oh, puno. Puno. Nasasakyan, puno. Puno. So, ipakita ko sa inyo guys, isa-isa mamaya. Kasi hindi ko na-film. Hindi ako nakapag-film kasi nakalimutan ko nga itong light. So, now, let's put this everything and then I will show you guys.
You find the other thing I found?
Yeah, it's right there. Okay, let me shut this off and then I will do the... Guys, okay guys, this is it all. Tignan nyo naman yan. Ang dami. Huy, what are you doing? Huy, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my goodness, look guys. First kuha galing sa dagat. Hold on guys. First kuha galing sa dagat guys. Hi guys, so ito yung nakuha natin sa basurahan. Look, ang dami talaga, grabe. Ubong-ubo ako guys kasi po sa ginaw. Ang una kong ipakita po is itong pillow. Walang spray. As in bago. Amoy bago pa talaga siya guys. As in nag-live po ako guys. So, bago. Hindi ko alam kung magkano po ito guys kasi kinuha siya sa cellophane. So ito yung unang hole natin. Wow, ang bango. Yung parang ang bango na. Ang ganda ng basura doon. Walang, hindi siya madumi. Ang tinapon doon, puro mga gamit na ano. Yung mga hindi marurumi. Mga bago pa. At saka ito, uy, this is a single comforter, han. This is good for the bed that we have. Look. A single comforter.
Say single or full or twin?
Maybe full. Full. Look, magagamit po ito guys. Grabe guys. Ang bango guys. Bangong bago. Bangong bago. And next nating ano is another comforter. Look. Hala, ang laki nito. Ang bigat. What size? Hindi ko siya alam. Hindi ko alam kung anong price nito. Pero han, this is really nice han. It's really thick han. Oh, this is good in our bed. Look. Look, ang kapal. As in, it's a pangginaw talaga siya guys. It's a comforter. Ang laki. Grabe. Ang laki guys, grabe guys. As in, another comforter. Ang daming tinapon na comforter guys. Alam nyo, mamigay man talaga ako guys. Kasi ano, paano ba tong comforter? Ano bang gagawin ko? Ang dami na naming comforter. Look. Look. So, ito siya guys din oh. Another comforter. The same size lang siya. Maganda din siya, maganda. Ang kailangan lang nito is laba. Mga bago. God bless you, boy. Next. Grabe, ang dami kong labahan, guys. Pillowcase. Para man ako. Pamain naman ito, pamain. Sino po gustong magmain ito? Pillowcase. Ang kapal-kapal. Katulad ng mukha ko, pamain. At saka may kaparis itong comforter din. Look. And, ang pares nito na comforter is ito. Ito yung gusto ko, mga ganitong comforter. Mga hindi siya sobrang kapal, pero maganda yung quality. Look. Ay, nagpasalamat talaga ako guys na hindi siya inisprehan. Kasi kapag inisprehan, sayang lang talaga. Grabe dito yung Amerika kung magtapo ng gamit. Kung magtapo ng gamit para silang, parang walang homeless dito ba sa Amerika. Ang daming homeless pero hindi nila dinodonate. Grabe. So look, ito oh, another comforter, ang ganda. I-share guys, share. And ang daming mga ganito, hindi ko dinala. Balikan ko naman sila mamayang umaga. Kasi ang dami pa doon. Another big pillowcase. Large. Large. Puti siya. May pares ito guys. So yun, pamain po. Isang set ng ano. Nagpanic ako kanina. Nagpanic. Dahil sa panic, muntik na ako mahulog sa dumpster. Kasi ang hangin, ito makapal talaga. Parang mukha ko. At ang laki. Iwan ko paano ito labhan. Iwan ko na lang si Batman. Han, this is for King. Of California. Han.
Okay.
This is a Han, we have to donate this, Han. Ang laki. Ay, ginoo ko paano man ito. Ang laki man ito. Look. I-donate kasi sino mang may bed na California be? California bed. Look, ang laki. California bed. Size. Grabe, eh. Anong gagawin ko nito, guys? Ang dami, guys. I-donate. Mine na, mine. Sinong gusto mine? Mine pillowcase. Mine pillow. Mine pillowcase daw. And here's another one. Is this electric? No, it's not. Another bed cover. Look. Another bed cover, guys. Ang pangalan po nito is si London Bridge is falling down. Han, this is electric, Han. I forgot to get the thing.
What?
Hala, the same thing what we got the last time.
What is it?
The white thing, electric, in under the, you know, under the bed sheets. And next is blanket for my pets. Hindi, ipadala to sa Pilipinas, guys, kasi marami na kaming blanket. Oh, I like this color. UGG, oh! Ito, guys, mahal ito, guys. UGG. UGG brand, like this, oh. UGG. UGG. Ganito, oh. Oh. Ano siya, sa ano? Sa anong tawag nun? Rug. Bathroom rug. Look, guys, bathroom rug, guys, look. Bathroom rug, ang ganda, magagamit ko to. Ito, magamit ko to for sure. Bathroom rug. And then, another towel. Marami na kaming towel. Kani, ipadala ko to. Ilahi ko to sa subscriber at follower. Ito, puting towel, oh. Itong mga maliliit, easy lang ito maipadala. Pillowcase. Oh my God, ang dami. Ipakita ko sa inyo, guys. Ang nagpile na dito. Another pillowcase. Sa dami, para na akong na ano. Uy, meron pa. Hala, look. Oh my God. Ang ganda. Table runner, guys. Table runner, pamain. Pamain. Ang swerte-swerte natin ngayon dahil hindi nila inisprehan. Grabe si Batman talaga. Ito, ipamigay ko man ito kasi yung table namin is mahaba. Look, andito pa, may ano pa. Asan may presyo eh. Oh, 25 lang dollar, 25 dolyares, guys, look. Tinapon, guys, bago. 'Di ba? America. Welcome to America. Ito, oh, table runner, oh, shocking. And a cute pillow. A cute pillow, pwede ito sa sasakyan. Or ipadala din ito, guys, kasi anuhin kong pillow, yung couch ko puro pillow, look. And another tablecloth. Magkano ba to? Walang table table runner table. Yan, pamigay yan, guys, sa Pinas yan, Pinas. Ito katulad ito sa binili ko, oh. Ito ibigay ko kasi meron naman ako. Bumili ako the other December bago mag New Year. And another one, oh look. Ano ba to? Grabe, pamain po. Table runner. Oh my God, andito, guys, oh. Oh, ang dami. Anuhin ko yan. Anong gagawin ko? And another pillowcase. Ang dami na, guys. Ginoo ko. Sabi ko kay Tami, magtinda na lang kami sa eBay. Pero, ipamigay, i-share, i-donate. And then, and ito, ay, bedsheets. Bedsheets, oh. Bedsheets. And, ano to? This one is still in the bag. Look at, guys. Still in the bag. Hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan nito. Is, hala, micro funnel king sheets set. And this is really soft, hon. Soft and warm. It feels soft. Oh my goodness. Hindi pa talaga na-open, guys. Hindi ko alam kung anong dahilan nito. Tinapon Manila. Uy, hala, sobrang soft. I-feel nga ninyo, guys. I-feel. And, look. And another coastal curtains lang. Cortina na ganito, guys. Look. Cortina na ganito. Basta marami pa. Ay, meron din tayong bead skirt. Ni-return po siya dahil poor packaging. Ang rason is poor packaging. Ang mga tao dito, guys, bubili sila ng mga ganito. And then, kinuha nila, no? Or in-order. And then, pagdating sa bahay, hindi nila nagustuhan yung package. Yung the packaging is pangit, isauli. So, ngayon, pagkatapos isauli, ibutang sa garbage, ilagay sa garbage. Kaya yun, tayo yung nakakuha. Ang nakalagay for packaging, look. Look at this. This is pretty. Oh my gulay. Table, hala si Habs. Parang, huy Habs, behave. Table runner din, guys, oh. Table runner. And this is pretty. I will probably use this one. And another. Look, ito, ibigay ko din ito, guys. Look. Hoy, ginoo ko, Habs! Guys, pasensya na guys. Yung pusa ko guys, nagtatakbo. And another cortina. Cortina guys. Marami na tayong cortina for sure. Guys, cortina guys. Oh. And ano pa ba? Oh, this one. Oh, a shower curtain. Yun guys. Maganda siya. Long handline linens. Shower curtains. Look. Pillow. Look. Pillow. Nasa silupin pa siya. Nasa package pa siya, guys. Pillow, guys. Oh. Ito yung Claritin. Soft cotton queen standard pillow. Hindi natin siya ikuha sa box sa silupin para dito lang talaga siya. Hindi siya maging marumi. And dito tayo. And hindi ko alam kung ano ito. Laruan. This is Sharper Image 2-player laser tag. Look, laser tag, guys. Look. And this one para siyang na-bent. Para siyang nabawog, basta Bisaya pa. Kunin natin sa box, guys, ha. Hala, hindi man siya bawog. This is simply essential round pizza stone. Mabigat siya eh. Well, actually, I think hindi ko na siya i-open kasi ang resulta nito is pamigay ko naman lang. Mas mabuti pang nasa box, di ba? Ito na lang siya, oh. Ipakita ko sa inyo, oh. Ito guys, oh. Pizza. Para pa pizza. This is your thing.
Okay.
This is kinda, the other one is broken.
What?
It's a bacon microwave grill for bacon. Look guys. Microwave grill. This is for your bacon. You like doing bacon like this.
I'm just gonna crack.
And next is... Hello. It's okay, that's fine. My husband. It's okay, love. Han, don't cut the wire, Han. Guys, look. Guys, alam nyo ba kung ano to? Lamp shade. Lamp table shade. Yung ilagay mo sa table, lamp shade. Ang ganda. Look, ang ganda. Nakuha ko ito sa box. The whole box, dinala ko na, sabi ko, Han, carry this. Kasi tulong si Tami. So, ngayon, ito po, ganito. This is how you do it, Han? Han?
Yeah.
Huh?
On the top of the bowl.
The box is over there. But this is how it looks, guys. Look. Guys, ang ganda nito, guys, as in. Ito, guys, oh, ganda. Thumbnail. Ito, guys, hindi ko na ito gamitin. Alam nyo bakit? Meron na kami, malaki. Water filter. Look, ganito. Ibigay ko to, guys. Ito na siya, guys. Ito yung nakuha natin, oh. From dumpster. At saka may kasama siyang yun. And, ito na yun siya lahat, guys. Ito na yung nakuha natin sa dumpster. Look, tignan nyo naman yan. Ito dito, oh. And then dito din, oh, punong-puno, di ba? So, I'm gonna pick what I'm going to use and also to give away. And, so, ang pira nito is sobra, grabe. Yung pira, magkaano kaya ang gasto nila ni... I think this is like over $1,000. All this thing, I think it's over 1,000. Just the OG and the comforter and all the heavy things, heavy comforter over there. I think this is like I think really it's over $1,000. And also guys, hindi ko napakita guys sa inyo guys. Look, it's only this one. It's just a, how do you call this, Annie?
Display. It's
just a display, guys. So, it just sucks because I'm looking for this kind that I can just fry easy, not frying yet using oil. You can use a meat just to cook here the pork, season the pork, marinate it, and then put it in there. So, yan. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Hindi maayos po yung vlog po natin kasi nag-live po ako. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys sa mga susunod natin na dumpster dive, at sana nasayahan din kayo. Bye!
Bye guys.